Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management, Fall River. Today we are looking at 46 Scott Street, Unit 3S. Here we have the main kitchen dining room area. Stainless steel sink, plenty of cabinet space. Here we have the first bedroom. Equipped with refrigerator and a space heater. Here we have the second bedroom with the side door access. Closet in the corner. Hardwood floors. Here we have the bathroom, stand-up shower and tub. Again, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management, Fall River. This is 46 Scott Street, Unit 3S.